Onions are just about ready. Hi everyone, I'm Chanel Bouchard and I'm going to show you our field so that you know exactly where your produce comes from when you buy from us. So every morning before the market, my dad comes here and he cuts fresh kale. So here's our kale. It's nice, beautiful, just like a bouquet. Here you can see our tomatoes are coming along just great. Another couple weeks. We have zucchini in season. So here are zucchini plants. Just like that. Beautiful, beautiful. We started to pull onions. So as you can see, we have lots of field produce coming, such as zucchini, eggplant, onions, garlic, kale, potatoes. So come see us at the downtown Windsor Farmers Market 8 to 1 and the Amherstburg Farmers Market 8:30 to 1:30 every single Saturday. So a big thank you to everyone who has already came out to the local farmers market, and if you haven't yet, please come out, come see us, Bouchard Gardens. You'll see myself, my oldest brother, Lizzie, my sister-in-law Christina, or Hope. You'll see one of us there. You know exactly where your produce comes from when you buy from us right here on our farm, and there's lots of other amazing local vendors, so go check them out too.